Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Hey gearheads, transmission trouble can be a major headache. Today we've got some expert tips to help you steer clear of those pesky issues. Stay tuned to learn the ins and outs of transmission maintenance and care. How to avoid transmission issues, expert tips for maintenance and care. Transmissions are a critical component of any vehicle, but they can be prone to issues if not properly maintained. In this video, we will discuss common transmission problems and provide tips on how to avoid them. Whether you drive a manual or automatic vehicle, understanding how to care for your transmission can help you prevent costly repairs and keep your car running smoothly. Join us as we delve into the world of transmissions and learn how to keep them in top condition. Understanding transmission issues, understanding common transmission problems, and recognizing the symptoms of transmission issues can save both time and money in the long run. By being aware of these signs, you can take proactive measures to avoid potential transmission failures and expensive repairs. Common transmission problems. Transmission fluid leaks. Leaking transmission fluid is a common indicator of a potential issue. It can lead to low fluid levels, which can cause overheating and irreversible damage to the transmission system. Worn clutch. In manual transmission vehicles, a worn-out clutch can lead to difficulty in shifting gears, slippage, or a burning smell. Transmission overheating. Overheating can occur due to low fluid levels, heavy towing, or stop-and-go traffic, causing damage to internal components. Solenoid issues. Malfunctioning solenoids can result in gear shifting problems, erratic behavior, or incorrect gear ratios. Symptoms of transmission issues. Strange noises, unusual grinding, whining, or clunking noises while shifting gears indicate potential transmission problems. Delayed shifting, delayed engagement when shifting gears, or difficulty getting into gear can be a sign of a failing transmission. Burning smell. A burning odor, especially when accompanied by other symptoms, can signal overheating or excessive friction within the transmission. Dashboard warning lights. Warning lights such as the check engine light or transmission temperature light can indicate transmission issues. Understanding these common problems and symptoms can help in early detection and prompt resolution of transmission issues, preventing larger, more costly problems down the road. Causes of transmission problems. Lack of maintenance. A lack of regular maintenance is one of the primary causes of transmission problems. Neglecting to change the transmission fluid at recommended intervals can lead to a buildup of debris and deterioration of the fluid's lubricating properties. Additionally, worn-out transmission filters can also contribute to debris accumulation, resulting in reduced transmission efficiency and potential damage to internal components. Overheating. Overheating is another common cause of transmission issues. High operating temperatures can lead to thermal breakdown of the transmission fluid, causing it to lose its viscosity and lubricating properties. This can result in increased friction and wear within the transmission system, potentially leading to malfunctions and failures. Continuous stop-and-go driving, towing heavy loads, or driving in extreme temperatures can all contribute to transmission overheating. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below, and a thumbs up if it's hitting the spot. Don't forget to share with friends who might dig this, and hit that subscribe button for more. Contaminated transmission fluid. Contaminated transmission fluid, often due to water intrusion or the presence of foreign particles, can significantly impact the performance and longevity of a transmission. Water ingress can result from driving through deep water or condensation within the transmission system. Foreign particles such as dirt and metal shavings can enter the transmission through a variety of means, including a damaged seal or gasket. Contaminated fluid can compromise the transmission's ability to function properly and lead to accelerated wear and tear on internal components. How to avoid transmission issues. Regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your transmission in top condition. Make sure to adhere to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule, which typically includes regular fluid changes and filter replacements. Keeping up with routine maintenance can help prevent minor issues from escalating into major transmission problems. Proper driving habits. Your driving habits can greatly impact the health of your transmission. Avoid aggressive driving such as abrupt acceleration and sudden braking, as this puts unnecessary strain on the transmission. Additionally, towing heavy loads beyond your vehicle's capacity can lead to excessive wear and tear on the transmission components. Checking transmission fluid. Transmission fluid is crucial for lubricating and cooling the internal components of the transmission. Regularly check the transmission fluid level and condition according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Low or dirty transmission fluid can lead to overheating and premature wear of the transmission parts. Addressing issues promptly. If you notice any warning signs of transmission problems, such as strange noises, slipping gears or burning odors, address them promptly. Ignoring potential issues can result in more extensive damage to the transmission. Have a professional mechanic inspect and diagnose any irregularities to prevent further damage. By following these proactive measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of transmission issues and prolong the lifespan of your vehicle's transmission system. The importance of professional inspection. Identifying potential issues. A professional inspection of your vehicle's transmission can unearth underlying problems that may not be apparent to the untrained eye. Certified technicians have the expertise to recognize even the most subtle signs of wear and tear, allowing them to address potential issues before they escalate into significant problems. Preventative maintenance. Regular inspections conducted by professionals can help prevent transmission issues before they arise. By identifying and addressing minor concerns early on, you can avoid costly repairs and extend the lifespan of your transmission. Think of it as a routine checkup that keeps your vehicle in optimal condition. Ensuring proper functionality. A professional inspection ensures that all components of the transmission system are functioning as they should. This level of scrutiny can reveal issues with fluid levels, leaks, and the overall performance of the transmission, providing you with peace of mind as you hit the road. Expert diagnosis. Trusting a professional for transmission inspection means gaining access to their wealth of knowledge and diagnostic tools. They can accurately pinpoint issues and provide tailored solutions, giving you confidence in the reliability of your vehicle's transmission system. Tips for choosing the right transmission. Specialist certification and experience. When selecting a transmission specialist, it's crucial to prioritize their certification and experience. Look for technicians who are certified by reputable organizations and possess extensive experience in diagnosing and repairing transmission issues. An expert with a proven track record is more likely to provide reliable service and effectively address your transmission concerns. Reputation and reviews. Research the reputation of the transmission specialist by seeking out customer reviews and testimonials. Pay close attention to feedback related to their professionalism, problem-solving skills, and customer service. A specialist with a strong positive reputation and glowing reviews is more likely to deliver exceptional results and a positive experience for their clients. Warranty offerings. A reputable transmission specialist will stand behind their work with a comprehensive warranty. Inquire about the warranty offerings for their services and parts. A solid warranty ensures that you're protected in case of any unforeseen issues with the transmission repair or replacement, providing you with peace of mind and assurance in the quality of the specialist's work. Diagnostic tools and technology. Choose a transmission specialist who utilizes modern diagnostic tools and technology. Advanced equipment and technology can enhance the accuracy and efficiency of the diagnosis and repair process, leading to quicker turnaround times and more precise solutions for your transmission issues. A specialist who stays updated with the latest tools and technology demonstrates a commitment to delivering superior service. Customer service and communication. Assess the communication and customer service skills of the transmission specialist. Effective communication, transparency, and a customer-centric approach are essential qualities to look for. A specialist who takes the time to explain the diagnosis, repair options, and associated costs in a clear and understandable manner can instill confidence and trust in their expertise and dedication to customer satisfaction. Price transparency. Transparency in pricing is a crucial factor when choosing a transmission specialist. Opt for a specialist who provides clear and transparent pricing details, including labor costs, parts pricing, and any additional fees. Avoid any ambiguity or hidden costs by choosing a specialist who values transparency in their pricing structure, ensuring a fair and upfront approach to the financial aspect of the transmission repair process. In summary, being proactive about maintaining your vehicle's transmission is key to avoiding costly issues down the road. By regularly checking and changing the transmission fluid, addressing any leaks promptly and ensuring proper driving habits, you can significantly reduce the risk of transmission problems. Additionally, seeking professional inspections at the first sign of trouble can help catch and resolve issues early, preventing further damage and expense. Taking these preventative measures can ultimately save you time, money, and the hassle of dealing with a faulty transmission. Please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.